Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back my channel. In this video I present to you a small garden decoration idea. So let's start. Garden ornament. The list of creative garden decor idea also include garden ornaments. Different ornaments can be included such as garden uh, grazing spears, ceramic rocks, other garden statues and sculpture to add more life to garden. Wall planters. If you have a small garden area, wall planter on the home wall are ideal small garden decoration ideas. You can grow a variety of items in these planters including herbs, flowers and vegetables. Garden wall decoration. In addition to colorful plants on your garden border, you can fence the wall with them too. You can use lush green foliage and pretty blooms like bougainvillea and lavender to name a few to cover the wall and fence.